Excel is one of those tools that almost every professional needs, whether you are a student, a business owner, or a working professional. Here's the good news: you don't need to spend thousands on expensive courses to master it. In fact, you can learn Excel completely for free with the right resources and a smart approach and a decent amount of practice. In this video, I will tell you a step-by-step guide on how you can start learning Excel from scratch, practice effectively, and build skills that can actually help you in your career without spending a single rupee. If you have ever felt that Excel looks complicated or you are not sure where to begin, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to get started on your Excel learning journey for free. Number 1. There are plenty of free videos available on YouTube. There are playlists and single videos. You can pick any of them according to your availability and start learning today. My recommendation would be free Excel course Basic to Advanced by Trump Excel on YouTube. Number 2. There is a website by the name GoSkills. They are doing an amazing job by creating crash course for individuals. Their crash course on Microsoft Excel are top notch. You can activate their free trial for 7 days. Number 3. Coursera has some amazing courses that teach Microsoft Excel also. You can audit their courses to get them for free. If you are someone who is planning for an online master's, some other degree, then we help in admission assistance. Message us on WhatsApp by using the link in the description box to book a counseling session. Free resources, consistent practice, and a little bit of patience. You can go from complete beginner to someone who confidently uses Excel in studies, work, or even business. Remember, the key is to practice regularly and apply what you learn in real life situations. The more you use Excel, the easier it becomes. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and share it with your friend for whom it can be useful. For more such content, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a lovely day.